New at 4:30, a man convicted of killing a Chicago police officer has been released from prison.
Alexander Villa was serving a life sentence for the murder of Officer Clifton Lewis in 2011. Yesterday, Cook County prosecutors dropped charges and a judge overturned the conviction.
NBC5's Regina Waldrop joining us now, talking to Officer Lewis's sisters and son today. Regina, does the family blame anyone for this latest fallout in the case?
I asked them that direct question, and they said they really don't know who is to blame here. But what they do know, what they tell me, is that they want this case reopened, and they will not stop until the person who took his life is held accountable.
A family's misery rekindled and compounded this week.
Yesterday's decision opened a wound that we thought last year with the court case, with the sentencing, that it will be starting to heal.
Chicago police officer Clifton Lewis was working security at a West Side convenience store when he was shot and killed. It happened during a robbery. Wednesday, Cook County prosecutors dropped their case against Alexander Villa, who was convicted of the 2011 murder. A judge also threw out Villa's life sentence. The decision marks the latest fallout in a case tainted by accusations of misconduct by police and prosecutors.
An injustice has been served. We did not get the justice that we know we need.
With Villa's conviction vacated, this means all three men charged with Lewis's killing have gone free. Charges against Villa's co-defendants were dismissed last year.
It's just not fair. And he's worked for the city. He dedicated his life to protecting the people here. It's a smack in the face.
And they're free to walk the streets. They're free to go out and commit more crimes. They're free to go out and do this to other families. And we're not getting the justice that we deserve for our brother.
In a statement, the Cook County State's Attorney's Office told NBC5, in part, our office discovered evidence that had not been previously or timely provided to the defense. This information is potentially relevant to a jury's evaluation of the case. Therefore, we are compelled to agree to vacate this conviction, dismiss the charges. Prosecutors have the responsibility to not only find justice for the harm, but also uphold the constitutional rights of the accused. In this instance, we fell short. Lewis's sisters and his son say his mother and their entire family heartbroken but determined.
We are going to fight this, and we are going to demand and make sure that we get the justice that we need for our brother.
So what's next for Officer Clifton Lewis's family? They tell me they want the case reopened. They've hired an attorney, and they say this will not become a cold case. We asked the Cook County State's Attorney Kim Fox's office about reopening this case. A spokesman told us no comment.
Regina, thank you.